Steak and wine, one of the most iconic pairings. It works largely because of the tannins in big red wines. They cut through the fat and leave you with that silky mouthfeel. Today, we're experimenting to see if we can isolate that sensation by building it directly into the crust of our steak. So tannins from grapes, we have three options: stem, seed, and skin. The skin being the easiest and the most visually appealing. So all we're doing is that we're peeling some grapes. Of course, we're not marinating the steak with wine because it's not concentrated and it's a bit wasteful. Perfect. Now, cling film. We salt the whole combined mixture generously at 1% salt of the weight of the steak. Flavor penetration and moisture retention aside, this will also break down the cell walls of the skin, encouraging tannin extraction. First, very tightly wrapped, and we leave it overnight in the fridge. We'll then unwrap, remove the skin, and let the surface dry out naturally in the fridge. That way we don't have to dry the surface, potentially removing some tannins. Tomorrow, we make a steak. I'm so excited for this. Let's do it. A few things to note. Tannins in Grape-Skin are extremely heat stable. If anything, the worry is too much concentration, providing the transfer was a success. From my limited research, the purplish color will actually turn brown, if anything, helping us with the illusion of good browning. There's a bit of acid in the skin, but negligible compared to the size of the steak. A hint of sugar, if anything, would help us with caramelization. But all that is theoretical. In 4 minutes, we'll find out the truth. Now, do I need a glass of wine? Well, yes, in life. But do I need it for the richness of the steak? Let's find out. Fatis spinalis. I'll say this, if you're really looking for it, you can kind of find a hint. It's a beautiful steak and a worthy exercise, but I wouldn't ditch the wine.